Ooh, that's the first time I've smelled it.
It's hot.
Yeah.
That's cooked.
Yeah.
Good job.
All right. The grilled chicken fajitas, I say they were on point. Pretty simple to make. Some salsa, some cheese, fajita wrap, done. Num 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 num. Everyone's starting to get ready for bed already. Big full bellies. That's just the captain peeing. He pees weird. it's
sporadic.
Yeah, it's weird. It's so
sporadic.
I don't even know. He's got issues.
Sounds like someone just kinking and unkinking
Yeah.
a hose.
You should get that looked at.
But it's not consistent either, like a spigot. Like it's
Yeah.
like kick off,
A lot of pressure, no pressure.
kick back
Some
on.
pressure. Back pressure.
Right, then you hear him
Wet fart, yeah.
really wet fart.
And then a lot of pressure.
Yeah, as he's farting, then you hear more pressure.
Yeah.
Morning of day 4 of OOFD. We still have to finish up a little bit of the third day. We had a supply run yesterday, so we had to drive all the way to town, get some things, come back. We got in pretty late, but we found a camp spot. We slept good. We stayed warm. So today we have there's some technical, kind of like rocky areas. So we drop down, head a little bit west and south to finish up the day 3, and then we're going to shoot on over past Bird's Adventure Center, and then we got to get into that west side of the trail system, which should be the most technical and difficult. So far we've been doing a lot of trail riding and forest service roads and lots of highways, just kind of running between places here and there. So looking forward to today. If we're all well rested, then it should be fun. Should be a good day.
Oh man, what day is it? Thursday. So we got today and tomorrow to finish up the trail. This was a nice little impromptu campsite. It was marked on the map, but we didn't know if we were gonna like it or not. Turned out pretty good.
It worked.
Yeah. Nice little one. We cleaned it up. Again, yeah. I will say every site so far needed the fire pit cleaned out and trash cleaned up around it.
Yeah. Consistently.
It is Thursday morning. We got up early, moseyed around, made coffee, ate some breakfast burritos. About to hit the trail. Today should be the fun section. So I'm excited. I'm super excited. I'm ready. Ready to stretch the old Hector's legs out. 4 low, hopefully. But we shall see.
Bypass, there might be a reason for a bypass.
Yeah.
Somebody's been tearing up that way. So you've
Well,
got
this
way,
looks-
you still got to drop in on the side.
Yeah.
So maybe this is bad, and that's not bad. That gets a little shallower. This is fine. We can just drive around it if we don't like it. It's a good stick to poke it with.
Yeah, it may not actually be all that bad. But this is at least a bypass. And they are coming in cutting these trees.
Oh yeah, I got the mark. It's the, I mean, that's solid.
Okay.
Got a little, couple inches of goop in there, and then it's solid there. That's a rut.
Yeah.
A little sticky, but that's solid underneath it.
Drive it.
Yeah, none of this seems bad, unless that front spot is like some deep. This is 35 feet.
All right. So you, we can set up a camera or a camera guy. Yeah.
I don't know why. I think people are probably just more worried about it.
Side by sides.
Stop and poke him with the stick.
Excuse me, are you driving? Can you get into your seat, please?
Ooh.
Full send. Call AutoZone. Oh, what happened? Oh, he just doesn't have traction in the back. Back it off and bump it. You're just spinning tire. There you go. Oh, he tried to do it in two.
I was in 4 high at first and didn't have any power. It's when I switched it again. I switched down to 4 low, and that's when I actually started crawling over everything. Yeah, I don't think you had anything in 4 high, but you may have been passing, been in neutral. Well, no, because the back tires were spinning.
Oh, we're just coming up on the rocky ledges, and the guy is like going weird on me.
Yeah, the ledges should be coming up soon.
That's the second time on this trip that guy had just crashed.
I turn mine off every night and have to like reopen it up just in case. Oh, that's what you do too.
We're at it right now. You want to look at this and set up cameras?
Absolutely.
Little steps.
Yeah. That sounds really hard. This down here looks fun. Oh shit.
So, hard to tell. I mean, it's a little drop down. Yeah, I gotta pick a good line through here.